Se es troba lo sotto.
Aquí a parte una y... Bueno, sopro no salió desde primera. So this is the Capristo one. We're removing the old one, so now we can test the sound. We are about to start the Ferrari after the Capristo exhaust installation and all the work that we have done with the suspension members that you have seen. So yeah, Joan? Okay, so in 3, 2, 1, we're gonna start it. Well, you can see that the sound is amazing. What I was doing, I was pressing 1 and pressing 2, so we have the close mode and the open mode. You can see the smoke we have here because we have the heating blankets that, well, you can see it's the ones that you cover the catalytic converters in order to keep the heat inside, so the flow of gases are much better. And well, now it's normal that we need to overheat them and they need to be a little bit burned, as well, it is what it is, but it looks amazing. Let's test the car. Hey, if you like what we do and you're still watching it, give us a like and follow us. Hey, still there? You did it? Give us a like. So we are about to test the 430 Scuderia that we changed the exhaust, so we have a Capristo exhaust in, as you could follow all the process. And we're going now through the village. We're gonna give some accelerations and I want you to check and see and listen the car and the sound. Actually the drive, I can already feel that all the silent blocks that we have changed, the car has another stabilization when driving. Yeah, after we align and we put it all in the correct position as Ferrari says, it's gonna be crazy. Furthermore, we have here a telecommand which we can change the sound. So number 1 stays closed, number 2 we open the valves. So I will let you hear. Tony, how is it? That's incredible. Wow. Incredible. No words. I was amazed with the Renault 5, the GT Turbo, but this has no words in this planet. The kick that this engine gives when it's over 5,000 revs, it's incredible. So we have changed the exhaust, and now I want you to listen how it sounds in this area that is where we check the cars, because the noise of the ambient it's amazing how well, I don't know how to describe. Let's drive it. Bye. This sound is incredible. It's incredible. Just incredible. So I hope you liked the sound that we will put in the video. This is the Capristo exhaust for the 430 Scuderia, and unbelievable. So see you in the next chapters.